Hello class, let's do the walkthrough for week 3. Alright, so we want to make sure that you have done the week 1 and week 2 assignments on sections 1.1, systems of equations, 1.2, matrices and linear systems, 1.3 and 4, where you just have to do matrix operations like add the matrices, subtract, multiply, and divide. Note that most operations with matrices can be done with the graphing calculator. You can look at the learning resources and see how to do that. In general, your assignment is to read the Xi book and work on the assigned participation activities and challenge activities. Sometimes you just have to click on them, so just read along and click and answer questions when they request it. Right, so this week we begin by taking new quiz 1. Right, the first quiz didn't import correctly, so now we have a quiz called new quiz 1. So I'm going to post that here. The quiz will cover sections 1.1 through 1.4. There are 12 questions, and you'll have 1 hour and 45 minutes to take the quiz. It'll automatically shut down after that amount of time. So make sure that you have an hour and 45 minutes. You may not need all of that time, but you can't shut it down and then start it again, right? You have to take it in one sitting. It'll close on Tuesday at 11:59 p.m. Right, so you have between now and Tuesday. Let me know if you have any questions. My office hours again are on Tuesday from 3 to 4:30 p.m. and Thursdays from 11 to 12:30, but this week I'll have to stop at 12 or by appointment. All right, so if these times don't work for you, just let me know and I can set up a Zoom meeting for you. Let's see. So this week also, I'd like for you to look at sections 1.5, which is elementary matrices, and they just have zeros and ones, and 1.6, inverse of a matrix. Again, you can pretty much do that on the calculator, but you should read the section. And then 1.7 is elementary row operations. The objectives of the section are of section 1.5 is identify what elementary matrix will result in a given row operation. Use elementary matrices to perform Gaussian elimination. Find the inverse of an elementary matrix. Identify the relation between elementary matrices and other features of a matrix. In 1.6, you're going to identify whether two matrices are inverses of one another. Find the inverses of a 2 by 2 matrix. Find the inverse of a square matrix of any size. And identify properties of inverse matrices. And in 1.7, perform elementary row operations on a matrix and the corresponding systems of equations. So you will learn how to solve systems using matrices. All right then. Okay, so just remember to do your assignments and let me post the quiz. All right, good luck.